Ready for the crazy weather that we're supposed to be getting?
Oh my goodness. I can't believe it.
Hi, so we're doing fun nails today.
Yes.
Okay, so we're doing the fishies on 2 fingers. And then did you want the little star looking things too? Or do you just want the sign?
Just the like the symbol is
Okay.
fine.
Yep, go right ahead. There we go. Get it, it's fine. But otherwise, the schedule that they sent out recently, they're just like, oh, these are just tentative. Like, you could put these in, but just know they could change.
Right. Oh, I don't know. I'd say. I know.